Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Albie. Albert Santos 781030 @gmail.com. Thank you. Good day everyone. Today I'm going to cook Kalderetang Batangas. Enjoy! Hello everyone, it's me. I'm back cooking with Albie. Today I'm going to cook one of the dish, my favorite dish too. It's Kalderetang Batangas. Okay, I got this recipe from my Tita, Tita Hermie, and she's from Batangas. And I want to share it to you guys para gawin nyo rin sa bahay nyo, okay? Yung mga friends ko from Canada, they're asking me to say hi. So, hi kay Bernard there. Hi also kay Ralph. And all my friends here in California too. And also in the Philippines, hi Iris. Hello, Vance, my best friends. And also to Lilot Rodriguez, Veneral, and also to Amy Palogan. She's in Australia. Okay, and to all my friends, hello. So sa next na I'm gonna say hi to. Okay, so I'm going to do a Kalderetang Batangas. First, I bought like 2.5 pounds of spare ribs. So ayun, sinok ko na siya, minarinate ko na siya using a cup of soy sauce and also Worcestershire sauce, or it's Leon Pairings, and 1/4 olive, 1/4 cup. Mix it together, and then I put pepper and then marinated it for almost an hour. Kaya medyo malambot-lambot na yan. And of course, another pickle relish, peanut butter, liver spread, cheese, butter, and of course garlic and onions. And of course, para medyo maano siya, maanghang, I put some siling labuyo also, and I cut it para lagyan natin later on at the end. Okay, I'll be back, and then later on I'm gonna start to cook and I'll show you too. Hello everyone, bye guys. Just wanna say hi to my family in the Philippines, and also in New York. Also special to my Lola and Tita Nane, Tito Boy, Tito Olive, hi there. So, inilit ko na yung aking pan, and then naglagay ako ng konting olive oil and plus the butter para hindi masyadong masunog yung butter. So, nilagyan ko siya ng oil. So, ayun na siya. Nag-melt na siya. Pag melt niya, melted na yung butter, let's put our ating bawang. Mix siya. Of course, huwag na namang sobrang luto para hindi siya masusunog. Ito. Kita niyo naman, naluluto ang ating garlic. And then let's put our sibuyas. So I love using the, hindi ko alam, basta yung red na sibuyas na maliliit kasi mas mabango siya. Medyo naluto ng ating sibuyas at bawang, let's put our marinated spare ribs. This with soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Siya. And lagyan na natin ito. Lagyan na natin yung ating marinated meat. Lagay natin dyan. So palalambutin natin siya. Hintayin natin siyang mag-reduce. Okay? Pagkahalo mo, okay na yan. And then, bablikan natin, and I'll be back, and I'll be presenting to you my Kalderetang Batangas. So, pag tumampot na siya, nilalagay ko na lahat. I'll put my pickle relish, liver spread, peanut butter, and the cheese. Of course, haluin natin ng konti, and then lagyan natin ng asin and also some paminta, more paminta, plus our sile, just to get the kalderetang taste. And later on, lalambot at malalambot na siya. Okay? I'll present it to you later. And then,
hello
stay
everyone.
safe again. Ayan, ready na ang ating Kalderetang Batangas. Charan! Di ka. Alae mga, alae kain na.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe at albertsantos781030@gmail.com. Thank you.